Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Faye Valentine is one of the main characters of Cowboy Bebop anime series. Today I am going to explain about Faye Valentine's painful past. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. Faye Valentine is not actually the 20-something-year-old woman she appears to be. In fact, she was born in 1994 and after a devastating accident in 2014 was frozen in suspended animation until 2068. Upon being revived, the resident doctor is surprised to learn that she has no memories of her past life. Faye is saddled with an enormous hospital bill. At this point, Faye meets Whitney Agis, a lawyer who agrees to help her with her debts. He calls her his sleeping beauty and Faye falls in love with him. Unfortunately, when they are pursued by collection agents, he is killed. Faye is heartbroken and is even more devastated when he leaves her all of his assets, which turn out to just be more debts. He was a confidence man, and in this moment of betrayal, Faye Valentine's new personality is sealed. As a result, Faye Valentine becomes a selfish and volatile character. She gambles and cheats just to further her own ends. Faye also has difficulty forging any strong connections with other people. For most of the series, she seems to stick around with the crew of the Bebop out of convenience, as she can make money that way. While it's hinted that she might feel the need for company, she doesn't want the rest of the crew to know that. She is too hurt by her past trauma. While My Funny Valentine shows us Faye Valentine's origin and helps us understand who she is. It is in episode 18, Speak Like a Child, where she grows as a character and her tragedy deepens. Here, Faye Valentine is given a glimpse of her past life and we realize how much she's lost. Speak Like a Child focuses on a mysterious Betamax tape that is sent to Faye. Faye Valentine has no interest in viewing it and immediately tries to run away in case it involves her debts. Spike and Jet, however, go on a quest to view the tape's contents. Ultimately, it turns out to be a recorded message from a teenage Faye to her future self, one that shows as an innocent and cheerful child. Faye is broken down to tears by this revelation. An important scene in the episode features Jet telling Ed and Spike a fairy tale about a man who is taken to a magic land where he has everything he wants and lives as though he is in a dream. This fairy story might seem random at first, but upon closer inspection, we realize that it's a sad parallel to Faye's life. After her crash, from her perspective, she instantly wakes up in the far future, something of a magical world to her. Since she has no memories, she wanders about in a dreamlike state, unable to connect with the people around her and focusing only on personal gratification and clearing her debts. The fairy story Jet tells involves a treasure chest. When the main character of the fairy tale opens the treasure chest, he is turned into an old man. In the same way, when Faye Valentine sees the videotape of her younger self, she is turned into an old woman. Faye Valentine is jaded and cynical, and seeing her past self makes her realize how impossibly far away she she has gotten from the innocence and happiness of her youth. After this episode, Faye Valentine becomes a somewhat warmer character, one who is able to connect with people a bit more. Of course, the character who she seems to have the strongest feelings for is Spike, which makes his own decision in the final episode all the more tragic for Faye Valentine. Ultimately, Faye Valentine ends the series as she begins, on her own, without people to care for or to care for her. It's a deeply sad ending for Faye Valentine and just another thing that makes Cowboy Bebop so compelling. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.